Block C moving into Block C City. Where? Block C City in suburban. Impact. Hurricane force winds up to 150 to 160 miles per hour. Mobile homes will be turned over or destroyed. Flooding will happen. If you are near the shore, get to higher ground now. As flooding will happen, for your protection, move to an interior room. Grab a flashlight, food, water, and a hand cranked radio. Once given the all clear, you may go outside. This message was at the request of the National Weather Service and Blocks County Emergency Management.